G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be tearing down this Shakespeare. What is it? It's a GX230. To me it looks like about a 2000 series. Here it is side by side with a Shimano Sienna 2000 and yeah, they look pretty much about the same size. So I might just quickly throw it on the scale and have a look. What do we got here? Is it Ted? Yep. Get back on there. Where are you going? Right, we're looking at 262 grams. And with a full spool of spider wire. And we're looking at 253 grams for the Shimano. So it's pretty even indeed. Right. Well, let's have a look what's inside, shall we? Let's tear this girl down. Okay. So our spool is metal. They didn't do a very good spray job on the inside, but it is metal nevertheless. And just a little inbuilt clicker in the top, plastic. Alright. Let's take off the drag and have a look. That actually went flying up and landed on my shoulder. Unbelievable. Right, what have we got inside, boys and girls? Oh, well, there we go. It's better than the Shimano. Yep, we got washer and felt. Washer, felt, washer, felt. Yeah. Okay, so it's not too bad. 1, 2, 3. So we got 6 plates all up. That's a hell of a lot better than the 2 that was in the Shimano. So straight away, this thing is definitely better value for money. A lot easier getting the bastard in than out. Right, let's take off the handle. So it is a threaded handle, threaded stem, instead of the threads being on this and winding it in so it gets to a specific point so they can balance the whole reel for it. Otherwise you're just putting these on in any particular direction and it's going to throw the balance off on the reel. So I don't like them like that, not at all. So what else we got here? Let's take this top off. Just got a couple of washers and stuff. Our little clicky tooth thing. We have a screw here to stop the main shaft from vibrating loose. It's a left-handed thread. It's one piece. It is plastic, but it's very heavy. Actually, it weighs quite a bit. It feels like it might be carbon reinforced or something. 74 grams. Let's see. It scratches up, so no, it's only soft. If I put my spectacles on, I might be able to read some of this shit. What's it say here? Made in China. And the part number. That's about it. They've got, this is a weight in here. This looks like a small stainless steel bush just there. Very small indeed. No, it's not stainless at all. It's just zinc coated steel. About these, yep, they're the same. They're just zinc coated steel too. That, yep, same. Not stainless. Yeah, okay, it's not great. So let's take this off. We'll take the bottom off. Let the screws go flying. This little plastic cap, they haven't even bothered chroming the bottom of it or anything. Okay, we have another small screw just up in this collar. Open that little bugger up, there we go. That's the same as those, so we got 3 that are one size and 1 that's a different size. Okay, let's see if we can pop this open. Okay. It's just plastic. And at least there's a bearing in there, which is good. Got a bearing in here. Yeah, it's not extraordinarily stainless steel though, by the feels of this. Alright, let's have a look at this. Well, they've put a decent amount of grease on it. This is exactly the same as pretty much all the other pinions. So just got a tiny little neodymium magnet here, and as you can see, all this stuff is magnetic. So it's not stainless. It's not stainless, it'd be just zinced. Ah, look at that. They've cheaped out on that side. There's a bush just there instead of a bearing. And this is exactly the same innards as almost every other one. It's this top bearing race here. Whip this off. Pull this top cap off. Yeah, I see these are starting to go this way now. They're getting those things. The bearing. Is it stainless? Nope, it's not stainless either. This is our one-way needle bearing. I'm going to try and keep that all together. These are a death trap. Righto. These needle bearings, this is a one-way bearing in that for sure. They're needle bearings that when it goes back and forth it'll go one way and then lock the other. Well, there's another bearing in there at least. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bearings, but they don't put one in the other side, in this side. That's a bit rude. You would you'd think they would do that for sure. So I'll probably pull the rest of this out as well, I think. Oh, yep. Now that I've got grease all over my fingers. Take that guy out. That's just steel as well. Then we can take that out. But you gotta take this guy off here. Not much point in doing that. There's nothing underneath it but this captive cog. That is just... These are just aluminium. Cast aluminium. Really cheap and nasty. So yeah, that's a little bit of a shame. I actually thought this would be slightly better quality than that. It's got an okay sort of drag setup in it. It's got, well, it's got 4 bearings in it, but unfortunately they missed out on the one in the arm, which is very unfortunate, because especially if you're right-handed, that's where most of the pressure and force and everything's going to be, on that side. Definitely not good.